Hello, for Uber?
Hi,
how's it going?
how are you?
Good. All right, what's the name?
Well, why don't you tell me my name?
Oh no, can you say my name? Or what's your name?
You're supposed to know, you're my driver, right?
No, but you're supposed to check the license plate because I don't know who you are. So, well, can you tell me your name?
Well, how about you tell me yours first?
No, that's not how it works. You didn't tell me your name, so I know because like, you know what my car looks like. Like you have my photo. Like I don't know. I just have your name. So can you just tell me your name?
Yeah, but I mean, I don't know if it's a scam either. I'm the woman. Can't you just tell
You're the
me
woman?
Yes,
I'm the
sir.
man. This is 2023. What do you mean?
Well, it's more dangerous for me.
How?
Because I don't know if you're gonna kidnap me.
You could kidnap me. How am I supposed to know?
Can I?
You can. I don't know what you got in that purse.
Well, I got, let's see, hairbrush, wallet, no gun.
Okay. Well, thank you. So what do you... I mean, you gotta tell me your name or else I'm not gonna take you.
Shit.
Like, you could be some crazy woman. I don't know.
Well, I swear
Looks
I'm
are
not.
deceiving.
I'll tell you my name as soon as you tell me yours.
You wanna do a count 3?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm Dylan.
Okay.
You didn't say it. Whatever. Just get in. Just get in.
Did you start the ride already?
What?
Did you start the ride?
Yeah, it's going.
Oh, okay, fine.
Just get in. Wear your seatbelt, please.
I'm giving him 1 star.
You're gonna rate me 1 star?